Rock Your Family. I am back with another YouTube video. As you guys can see from the title, I'm going to be doing my nails. And I really wanted to do the cow nails. They're on the screen. This inspiration I've been seeing everywhere. It's super trendy or whatever, and I really want to try it. So that's what I'm going to be doing in today's video. Before we get into the video, don't forget to follow all of my social medias. There'll be an Instagram box down below. Don't forget to comment hashtag KAREGANG. Get shout out in my next video. Today's video shocks DC right here. So let's get into the video. Now today's video is in sponsorship with Nail Addict. They're helping me do my nails. In today's video, I have everything linked in the description box down below that you can check out and get some really nice gel nails. I'm gonna show you guys a couple products that they have sent me that I'm going to be using to accomplish my nails today. UV LED lamp, so you can cure your nails, and you can set it to 45 seconds and 60 seconds. Here's the mini UV LED light lamp, and it actually has a USB charger port, so I'm pretty sure it's kind of like the 20th century. I'm pretty sure we all have a UV port that this can go into, like a computer or whatnot, or a plug, you know what I mean, like a block. So you press this once and that's 45 seconds, and you press this 2 times and this is actually 60 seconds. So here's up close of how it looks like, which is super easy and portable because I know not all of us probably have the space to have like a big UV LED light. We got a whole bunch of colors of gel nail polishes. So I chose a pink one. This is actually a neon pink and it's called electric pink. And then here is a neon yellow one. It's called electric yellow. Here is a white one and it's called White Addict. And this one is called Chocolate Dream. That's so cute, and it's like a nice cute brown maroonish color. I really like that one. And then here is just the base for the nail polishes, and then here is the removers, so to remove the gel nail polishes or whatever. I want to thank Nail Addict for sponsoring this video. Now let's get into the nails. So what I bought were just the Kiss natural nails, and they're just the natural like coffin shape ones that I'm going to be using into this video. I love coffin shape, period. The colors I'm going to be using to accomplish this look would be the white one and the brown one, and then the base, so I can put it like as a top coat or whatnot. I don't know if you guys care to see my face, but here it is in its glory. Okay, I'm just going to find the nails that fit and do them. So I just found the right hand. I just found the right hand. I just found the left hand. I separated them evenly. Now I'm going to glue on my nails, but first, you gotta take out the file, and buff down the nails. I'm not a nail YouTuber. I don't do this. This is not my forte. But I really wanted to try and do my nails because when you think about it, if you could do everything on your own, you don't have to pay for anything. I'm gonna use a makeup brush I haven't used because this is literally a makeup brush, but it's not used, freshly washed. I barely use this brush anyways. I think I didn't use it. Anyways, but the nail glue, it came with this one, like so, and just one dot of glue. If the YouTube videos taught me anything, that's kind of a lot, but I want these to stick. I don't know if you guys have been seeing the TikToks, but it's like girls are pretending that to get your nails done, you gotta put it underneath your cuticle or whatnot, but they're hilarious. Cause the guys in the comments are like, wait, hold up. Ah, we glued one down. That one's so lit. You can't see no air bubbles, period. I did that. Boom! We got the nails on. They're really cute. 10 out of 10 recommend. They're just clear. So it leaves us with like a lot of creative freedom to paint them any color we want. Look at this. That reminds me of white chicks and those like. Okay, so I have the nails on. My hands are really ashy and they're bony. Like, it's okay, you guys. So I'm just going to like take off some excess glue that's like on the sides of my nails, like they ran down a bit, and I'm going to fix that and then begin with the nail polish. Okay, so I took off the excess glue. Now I'm gonna go rinse my hands because they're a bit ashy and there's like dust everywhere, and I don't want to interfere with the nail polish, and I really want that to look really nice and neat. Okay, so here are my hands. They're all rinsed and everything. Since the nail, it goes like brown, white, cow print, brown. I think I'm gonna do the white nails first and then just paint the brown later. So I'm going to do that on my nails first, and yeah.